Hi, this is Ron Brown. I was doing some prototyping on our new easy bowl blank circle jig, and I just needed to use it on my bandsaw. When you look at the picture here, I have a large work table around my bandsaw, so it's not set up like a normal home shop bandsaw, so I couldn't use the stop that will be built in, and I had to put a magnetic stop on the top there. But I just grabbed a piece of high density polyethylene scrap that I hadn't thrown away yet, and just to cut a circle out of it. This will not only cut flat stock, boards, plywood, etc., but it'll cut with the accessories that I'm going to include. There's a way to set up a bowl blank where the bottom is uneven, maybe because your chainsaw didn't cut correctly, or you got an uneven bottom, and we'll show you how to do that. Also, I'm going to show you a way to do it to cut flat boards with no hole at all. We were doing some prototyping and some testing on our new easy bowl blank circle jig, which we expect to be able to start delivering by August 1st of 2025. You'll see a pin here that has multiple locations, so you can use that to turn your blanks, whether it's a bowl blank, whether it's a piece of plywood, or whether it's your blank for a bowl from a board. The way I've designed this, you should be able to cut a 24-inch blank if you want to, and that's pretty big if it's something you're going to use on a lathe. This material is high-density polyethylene. It's something I use on my CNC, make a lot of my products out of it. It holds threads extremely well, and since you're going to be in a very low stress situation, you just need it to locate the pivot pin. I think this is an ideal application. The set screw there is 3/8 of an inch, and it'll come with a few different lengths, so you could make adjustments for whatever project you're working on at the moment. This is one of the mini pivot pins that will allow you to use a 1/4-inch hole, about a 1/4 inch deep if you're trying to get away from having a hole, but you can still have a small one. I didn't have much stock around, but this is what I'm talking about. A lot of times when you cut a bowl blank or a log, or you split it, it's uneven. Maybe your chainsaw overlaps, and it's really hard to get this thing to sit flat if you wanted to do that. So this is going to be one of the main features, is to be able to stabilize this enough to use a circle jig. I've built a work table around my bandsaw that I use due to limited shop space. So I couldn't use the normal stop. You'll see the slots for the stop in the lower left-hand corner, and normally you would just sit that against the edge of your bandsaw table to stop it. I used a magnetic stop on the front just while I was doing some prototype testing.